Unlocking flexibility, effortless yoga practices for beginners at home. Welcome to your beginner's journey into yoga, a path to stretching, flexibility, and tranquility right from your home. Today, we embark on a simple yet transformative practice designed especially for beginners. First, find a quiet, comfortable spot in your home. A space where you can stretch out without limitation, ensuring your yoga mat or a soft surface is beneath you. This setting becomes your sanctuary. Understanding the importance of breathing in yoga cannot be overstressed. Start by taking deep, mindful breaths. Inhale through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise, then exhale slowly, releasing all tension. Now, let's begin with a basic pose, the mountain pose. Stand tall, feet together, arms by your side. Breathe deeply, grounding yourself to the earth. Feel the strength within your simplicity. Transition gently into the forward fold. Hinge at your hips and bend forward, hands reaching towards the ground. It's okay if you can't touch your toes. This pose is about feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and back. Next, we move on to the cat-cow stretch, perfect for flexibility. Position yourself on all fours. As you inhale, arch your back down, lifting your head and tailbone. As you exhale, round your spine up, tucking your chin. The child's pose comes next. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and lower your forehead to the ground. This pose is a haven of rest, allowing your body to fully reap the benefits of your practice. Let's embrace the Warrior II pose to build strength. Step one foot back, bend your front knee, and extend your arms sideways. Gaze over your front hand, embodying the warrior within you, poised and focused. Now, gently lower yourself to the ground for the Cobra pose. With your palms under your shoulders, lift your chest off the ground, elongating your spine. Feel the stretch across your chest and shoulders. As we near the end, find yourself in the seated forward bend. Extend your legs, inhale and lengthen your spine, then exhale and fold forward. This pose calms the mind while stretching the spine and hamstrings. Before we conclude, let's not forget the importance of the corpse pose. Lie flat on your back, arms and legs relaxed, and close your eyes. This moment of stillness integrates your practice, allowing your body to absorb the benefits. Remember, yoga is a personal journey. It's not about perfection but progression. Practice these poses regularly, listening to your body and respecting its limits. Welcome to the beautiful start of your yoga journey at home.